What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. I am the Hobbyist, and today we're going to be continuing on the Axial Scx10 build series. We're just going to be moving on within the build. I don't really have a specific tutorial that I'm going to be doing today, but I wanted to take you guys along on the journey as I build it up. We are at the point now where we're going to be adding the steering servo, which I have right over here. We've got the chassis rails ready, and we're going to be bringing all of the parts that we've built over the past couple of weeks and bring them all together into one vehicle. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so as you've seen in that very, very long time lapse, we have gotten a ton of work done on the SCX10 project. We've got the transmission dropped in, we've got the axles all connected and hooked up, we've got the shocks set in and tuned, we've got the steering connected, and I did center the servo before I put it in. So now my hand hurts a lot, so I'm going to call it a day for this video. But hopefully you all enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment in the section below for what videos you'd like to see next. The next time you see this rig, I'm going to have all the electronics put in, and it'll be ready for the body and tires. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out. But thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.